This is the soap your skincare routine is missing. This powerful triple action bar gently fade dark spot, clear acne, even out skin tone, and it leaves your skin feeling fresh, smooth, and radiant.
You're praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a brighter, clearer, and more even skin tone, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the powerful benefit of one of the best natural soap blend you can add to your skincare routine, which is my turmeric, kojic acid, and licorice root soap. In case you want to make this soap at home, don't worry, all the measurements and ingredients will be listed in my description box below. So this natural soap is packed with a lot of all natural ingredients that's going to definitely help you to achieve the nice glowing skin that you desire. So we have four main ingredients that are the star of the show. First, we're going to start with the aloe vera powder. Aloe vera powder is a natural ingredient that hydrates, soothe, and heal the skin. Rich in vitamin A, C, and E. It helps to calm irritation, reduce acne, fade dark spot, and improve skin texture. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties make it ideal for sensitive or acne-prone skin, while its ability to boost collagen support a smoother, more youthful glow. Whether you use this in a mask, a scrub, or soap, aloe vera powder is a gentle yet very effective way to nourish and restore healthy, radiant skin. Next up is this bad boy, licorice root powder. Licorice root powder soothes irritated skin, lightens hyperpigmentation, and helps even out skin tone, especially for people dealing with eczema, acne scars, or melasma. It also helps protect the skin from UV damage. Next up is kojic acid, guys. Kojic acid is a skin lightening agent derived from fermented rice. It helps block melanin production, make it perfect for reducing dark spots, sun damage, and discoloration without harsh chemicals. And of course, turmeric. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powerhouse. It helps reduce acne, fade dark spot, fight hyperpigmentation, and brighten dull skin. It's been trusted for centuries. Do you guys see how powerful this soap is going to be? So when you mix these four ingredients together in one soap, it's magic. You can get deep cleansing, gentle exfoliation, and of course, target brightening without drying out your skin. The soap helps to reduce acne, fade scars, improve skin clarity, and give you that healthy, radiant glow. So guys, whether you're battling hyperpigmentation, dark underarms, inner thighs, acne marks, or just want a more even skin tone, this soap is definitely your go-to, okay? You will definitely thank me later. Okay, so after dicing up my goat milk soap base, I am going to use the double boiler method to melt my base, and this is going to take about 5 to 7 minutes the most. Okay, so now I'm trying to mix out all the lumps and chunks. You want to make sure everything is super smooth before you pour it in your mold. I made a mistake by using this whisk to whisk it, it actually made it it makes it suddy, and that was kind of hard to remove. So I will advise you guys not to whisk it, but use the spoon to gently try to remove all the lumps and chunks instead of using the whisk to whisk it, okay? Okay, so now that it's super smooth and nice, I'm just really sorry that I used the whisk because now it's really frothy and really soapy suddy, and it's really hard to kind of get rid of that. So I would advise, I was trying to take it off, but I was actually wasting the soap because it is soap, it's just that it's suddy. So now I'm going to add my essential oils. I'm using some tea tree oil. I'm also using some lavender oil and some lemon oil. So these are essential oils, and you can use any essential oils of your choice, but I use these because these are specifically for skincare, lightening and smoothness and acne, hyperpigmentation. These helps to target those things. So that's the reason why I chose these three essential oils. So now that my soap is ready and ready to be poured into my mold, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pour it into these mold that I got on Amazon, this cute little heart shape. I didn't want my soap to be square like everybody else. I wanted them to be more playful, more fun. So I got these mold on Amazon. The link will be in my description box below. So don't worry, all the ingredients, all everything that I used to make this product will be listed in my description box below. So after popping my soap in the fridge for 1 to about 2 hours, this is what they look like, guys. These are so cute. Oh my God, I love them, guys. Okay, so just in case you're wondering how to use this soap, you can use this soap twice a day, morning and night. Lather the soap and apply it to damp skin. Let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes before rinsing off, especially on dark spots or target areas. Always follow up with a moisturizer, and don't forget your SPF during the day. Consistency is key, guys. So make sure you are being consistent. Results can start to show in as little as 2 to 4 weeks depending on your skin type. Okay, guys? So if you're ready to transform your skincare routine, this soap is a must have. You can click the link in my description box to order your soap at hendersonorganics.com and let your natural glow shine through. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and products breakdown. Your glow up journey starts here. Let me know in the comment section if you will be making this soap at home. But don't worry, if you are afraid to do your own DIY, I already did all the work for you guys. This soap is available on my website at hendersonorganics.com. Click the link in my description box and start your brighter, glowing skin journey today. Your skin deserves it, guys, and I promise you, you're going to love it. Your skin is going to love it, and you're going to be thanking me later. So if you're someone fighting acne, hyperpigmentation, discoloration, dark spots, dark underarm, inner thighs, this soap is perfect for you guys. So if you're ready for real results and glowing skin you can feel confident in, this is the soap your routine is missing. Glow naturally starts today. So anyway, guys, this is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to go get your soap on my website. Link will be in my description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in another video. If you have any question or concern, please feel free to comment. Bye. Love you guys. Like, share, and subscribe.